Hello everyone, my name is Harshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about phrasal verbs and also I'm going to act out 24 phrasal verbs. Before we begin, I want to say that if you have any questions, you have to let me know in the comment section. And if you want to improve English grammar, then click subscribe and the bell icon and let's do this together. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb made up of more than one word. It has a main verb and another word, either a preposition or a particle. The phrasal verb usually has a different meaning to the main verb. As examples, my car broke down.
Break down. Definition: to stop working.
I always turn the radio on in the car.
Meanwhile, the GMOA requested the government to facilitate other universities.
Turn on. Definition: to start an electric item.
Someone broke into my car and stole my laptop.
Break into. Definition: to enter a place, illegally or without permission.
My friend backed up my new business with the law.
Back up. Definition: to support a person, business, project, etc.
Harshi dropped his son off at school on her way to work.
Drop off. Definition: to bring or unload something or someone.
Please don't go, please. Please don't go. He broke up with me.
Break up. Definition: to separate from someone or end a romantic relationship.
The bad weather has really brought me down.
Bring down. Definition: to make depressed or sad.
Oh, 20 missed call. I need to call back her.
Call back. Definition: to telephone someone who had telephoned you.
We call on our good customers once a month.
Call on. Definition: to visit.
Classical music really calms me down.
Calm down. Definition: to relax.
Son, please clean up this room. It is so messy.
Clean up. Definition: to clean or organize something or somewhere.
Harshi dressed his son up for the wedding.
Dress up. Definition: to wear fancy or formal clothing.
The robber tried to get away, but eventually he was caught.
Get away. Definition: to escape.
The bookstore is giving away calendars to its customers.
Give away. Definition: to distribute for free.
Harshi, why are you so upset?
My plans to vacation in Mexico fell through.
Fall through. Definition: to fail.
Harshi cut sugar out of her diet.
Cut out. Definition: to stop doing something.
Hi, do you want to hook up with me after work for a drink?
Hook up. Definition: to connect with someone for fun or romance.
I need to figure out this math problem.
Figure out. Definition. To solve or understand.
Hello, good morning. This is ABC Bank. How can I help you, madam?
Hello, good morning. Can I call the manager, please?
Please hold on, madam.
Okay. The man at the bank made me hold on for 10 minutes.
Hold on. Definition. To wait a short time.
On the weekend, I like to kick back at home.
Kick back. Definition. To relax.
I have to cut down on eating junk food.
Cut down on. Definition. To reduce the intake of something.
We like to eat out on Friday nights.
Eat out. Definition. To eat a meal at a restaurant instead of at home.